It's Friday morning, the 19th of November, and I just got out of my Moderna swing trade, stock ticker MRNA. You can see here on the yearly chart that I bought it right before the close yesterday, and I sold it this morning in the pre-market. I covered around $2,200 on this trade. Still got a little chunk in there, but most of my profit is out. So let me show you guys how I found this swing trade. Alright, so before I break down this mRNA swing trade, I do want to let you guys know that on top of Moderna, I did also recommend Apple and Amazon for a swing trade yesterday on my Discord server. Now in a minute, I'll explain how you guys can get on this Discord server to get my top 3 swing trade picks, and also how to learn my swing trading strategy. But first, let me break down this mRNA swing trade. So if you look here on the minute chart, you can see that my entry was right before the close yesterday. My exit was right around 7 a.m. this morning. You can see that there wasn't that much pre-market volume. I had a decent profit and I decided just to cover right around 254, giving me about 1% profit. You saw a bit of a sell-off and then it went back up. Because I saw this low volume, I decided not to completely exit, so I had left a small chunk and it's still in there. So we are moving up a little bit, but majority of my profit is out of this trade. So roughly 1% profit on this trade. In cash, we're about at 2,100 now, so pretty good. Not too bad, end of the week here. So looking at the daily, why I thought this was a good swing trade. See, the mRNA used to be a good gapper, but recently it's been pretty lackluster. It's had pretty small gaps for these last few days, and except for yesterday. Yesterday we finally saw a decent gap of mRNA, which made me feel a little bit better about trading the stock. And it ended up working pretty well this morning. Not the big gap I expected, but still 1% is a really good mark. So I'm really happy with that. And if you look at the volume on mRNA, you can see that's the one issue. Yes, there is a gapping pattern, but we see this small volume. So it has been making me a little bit nervous. So that's why I decided to cover quickly with that profit, not risk it going negative, just in case there is a sell-off. This is still a volatile stock. But overall, pretty good swing trade on mRNA. What I really hope is that this breakout above 250 will hold, and if it does hold, then we should keep getting more gaps on mRNA. So looking good right now. So if we look at the swing trading watch list of all the stocks that I trade, you can see that a lot of the stocks were in the red yesterday or kind of sideways, not too many green stocks. NASDAQ had a few good stocks, that's why I recommended Apple and Amazon for a swing trade, but mRNA just seemed to be the better pick. So yeah, if you guys like these stocks to swing trade, these are all low risk stocks, high volume stocks, and if you guys want to learn how to swing trade these stocks, just check out my swing trading tutorial at the end of this video. Also, make sure you guys join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where I share my top 3 stocks to swing trade 15 minutes before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading on here. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.